Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our Chevy C10 Shortbox. Really cool truck, nice build, aftermarket hood on it. Not a lot of bad things to show you on the paint. I didn't find a lot of rock chips, one little one right there. Ain't saying I might not miss one here and there. Nice job on the paint, laid the paint on there very nicely. Bedliner in the truck, kind of this original. Here, aftermarket steering wheel, dash pad is a real dash pad, new carpet. So it's just a beautiful looking truck, custom 20-inch wheels. Said not a lot of flaws to show you. I try to show everybody. There's some of them, a little bit of rubbing from on the original tailgate deal. This is one other little paint chip I seen. So if you're looking for just a cool looking and sounding truck, paint's been laid on there nice, got a great shine to it, sounds good mechanically, air conditioning, drives down the road super. So just a great little truck. And you know where you can tell on a better build, no paint overspray on this stuff. They took that all out. So that's how you do them right. I'm gonna show you our Chevy C10. And you see the gauges all working. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn works. There's the air kicking on. And have to bet the radio isn't powered up. It's a new radio, so it should work, but it's not powered up. Locks up and down. Windows are a little slow. We got new motors for them, so, but they work the way they are. And then there's your good sounding truck. Headers, power steering, power brakes, and your air kicking on. Chevy C10, cruising about 55. I don't know if that's quite right with the 20-inch tires on it, but you can see your fuel gauge temp coming up, oil pressure, drives down the road great, steering wheel straight, just cruises right along. Good looking truck, good driving truck, and really good sounding truck. Got some good sounding dual exhaust on it. Goes down the road nice. Can't go wrong with a square body short box, lowered a little bit. Good looking trucks that way. This one was built out in the Rapid City area. Western South Dakota is where it came from. So, but definitely a nice build, whoever did it. They did it right. The weather stripping was done after the paint. The interior is nice. Just not a lot of flaws in the truck. So if you're looking for a neat little truck, give us a call, 605-695-7391.